Welcome to Frontier Boys. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to make a primitive live trap.
If you watched our Paiute Deadfall video, then you already have a step up because you know how to make the trigger mechanism, because it's going to be the exact same. The only difference is, instead of a big rock or log falling on the animal, a cage is, and it's going to keep them alive. First, what you're going to need is 2 sticks, the size of which will depend on what type of animal you're trying to catch. Then you're going to need 2 pieces of cordage that are about double the length of those sticks.
Once you have your sticks and cordage ready, you will tie one end of the cordage to one end of the stick on both sides of the stick. Once tied, you will take the 2 sticks and do 1/2 rotation to form an X.
Now that you've got your cordage and sticks tied in an X like this, then you're going to get 2 other sticks that are a little bit longer than the length or the width of what's going to be your cage, and you're going to put one under the X but over the bottom 2 sticks and push that as far out to the end as possible. Do the same thing on the other side. Tighten those both up as much as possible, and you're going to keep doing that, going this way, this way, this way, this way, under the X but over the sticks or above, until you have a pyramid shape. So you're gonna go under the X in the middle, but over the sticks below it on both sides, and then pull them as far out as they'll go. And it just keeps tightening and keeps building up into a pyramid shape. Now that you've got your cage to the point where you want it, you're going to want to get 1 stick in the middle of the last 2 that you built and put it tightly between, just like that, so that your cage is locked into place. Now onto the trigger mechanism.
Just like the Paiute Deadfall video, we're going to start by planting our Y stick in the ground.
Just like that, all nice and sturdy.
From there, we'll take our holding stick with the trigger attached and place that on the Y stick.
Then you can lean your cage against, wrap the trigger stick around the Y stick, and get the bait stick to hold the trigger stick to keep everything in place. We've got it all set up. We have the cage here. We have the holding stick resting on the Y stick. The holding stick holds the cordage, which is to the trigger stick, the short little trigger stick here, which holds out the bait stick. You put your bait on or directly below the bait stick, so that when your bird comes along, he's looking at the bait, tries to eat the bait, and he's caught in there. Well, that's how you catch a smaller animal like a bird in a live trap. Thanks for watching.
See you on the trail.